Ready to reimagine your living room? The 2025 trends blend comfort, sustainability, and artistic flair to create spaces that are both functional and full of personality. Let's explore the latest design ideas that promise to transform your home. Sustainability continues to lead the way in 2025 living room designs, with a focus on eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled metals. Earthy tones like warm browns, deep greens, and soft beiges will dominate color palettes, creating a calming and grounding atmosphere. These shades effortlessly complement sustainable materials, connecting the indoors with nature. Vintage and retro styles make a stylish comeback, blending with modern pieces for a unique and eclectic look. Think mid-century furniture paired with contemporary accents for a personalized space that reflects both past and present. Comfort takes priority in 2025, with plush seating, oversized cushions, and cozy blankets, creating inviting spaces to unwind. This trend emphasizes the importance of relaxation at home without sacrificing style. Loving these fresh ideas? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more interior design inspiration. We've got plenty of tips and tricks to help you create your dream living space. Maximalism makes a statement in 2025, thriving with bold and layered colors, patterns, and textures. This style embraces personality and encourages a curated mix of different elements. Biophilic design continues to grow in popularity, bringing nature indoors through plants, natural light, and organic materials. This feature enhances well-being and fosters a sustainable connection with the environment. Textured walls, from subtle grass cloth wallpaper to bold geometric panels, add depth and character to any room. This trend creates visual interest while defining different zones within a living space. Layered lighting remains a staple, using multiple light sources to create ambience and functionality. Think ceiling lights, floor lamps, and table lamps combined for a perfectly lit room. Handcrafted decor will be key in 2025, with unique pieces like hand-woven rugs and ceramic vases adding a personal touch. Celebrate the art of craftsmanship while supporting sustainable practices. Personalized art displays will be a major trend in 2025, allowing you to showcase your taste and personality. Do these trends inspire you to refresh your living space? If so, try our style quiz in the description to discover the perfect aesthetic for your home. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting design tips and trends. Until next time.